Hello, my name is Joe Hargrave. I am a product line sales engineer for AppManager at NetIQ. And today I'm going to demonstrate one of the many use cases of the AppManager response time for Windows module. And in this particular instance, we are using the module to authenticate to a Citrix website and validate the publication of a particular application, in this case, Microsoft Word. Not only are we going to validate the availability, but we're also going to determine how long it takes for the application to actually launch from within Citrix. Now, if you've not already watched the video recorded by Mickey Schneebel, one of the product managers, it's currently published to the NetIQ community website, and I highly encourage you to go back and watch it, as it's going to actually guide you through the recording of the script. In this case, however, you can see that we've already accomplished those steps. The script has been recorded. We have a start and an end node, and sandwiched in between are the various script steps that again have recorded mouse movement, mouse clicks, as well as text input from the keyboard. But before I check this script into AppManager, I want to validate that it's going to do exactly what I've set out for it to do. So I'm going to go ahead and execute this and play it back from within the designer interface. And voila. You know, look, Mom, no hands, right? So WinRT is taken over. It's launched the IE browser. It's going to connect to the Citrix website. Then it's going to authenticate username and password. Clicks on login. And here we can see all of the various applications that are currently published. This next step is actually searching out the MS Word image. Clicks on that image. And then from this point until it launches, I have a timer recording how long it takes for MS Word to actually launch. Now, once MS Word launches, it will become the active window, and at that point, the next couple of steps are pretty rapid. We're just going to validate its availability by clicking on File, and then we're going to click on Exit. Next, we'll click on Log Off to log out of our Citrix session. And then again, within the IE browser, we'll click on File and Exit, hence completing the series of steps for this particular transaction. Now, I'm feeling pretty good about the transaction itself, so at this juncture, I'm going to go ahead and check that into AppManager. Again, we'll come up to our menu options, check in the active script, and we will name this one Word via Citrix. Everything else looks pretty good, so I'll click on OK to check that in. And then we'll come over to the AppManager Operator Console. And here you can see that I'm already in the WinRT7 view, and already we have our Word via Citrix knowledge script checked into the console. Now, at this juncture, I, of course, can drag and drop it over to the appropriate machines for playback of the script. We'll just double-click this, open up, and review the parameters. Of course, you can see that I can event on a number of options. I also have some data collection. Now, during the recording of the script itself, I could have specified many other criteria for eventing or data collection, but again, we're reflecting what indeed had been recorded at that point. So, I appreciate your time today. I know this was a short recording, but I hope it was helpful.